speak about the colour blue. Blue represents the sky and the sea. Blue is a calming colour. It is peaceful and tranquil. It also represents intelligence, wisdom and trust. Blue is man's favourite colour. Blue is a soothing colour. It can lower blood pressure. It slows respiration and it slows down heart rates. You can use the colour blue in your own environment, in your own home, in a bedroom, you can use it in a bathroom, or you can use it in your home office. Options of how to use it in your home office, other than actually using it as a wall colour. You can use the colour on your shelving of your books. A lot of people now would have maybe a lot of woodwork where they would actually be painting woodwork, as it's very much in at the moment. So blue is a colour that you can actually use on your shelving instead of on your wall colours. You can, other alternative areas other than using the colour blue as a wall colour within your home study, you can use it in maybe in the accessory of your study chair. Research has proven that people are actually more productive in a blue room. Therefore, a home study is the ideal environment for your blue colour. If you would like to paint your woodwork in your study, the colour that I would actually recommend for your shelving is a colour called Demens by Farrow & Ball. It is a deep blue colour, and the light colour books will actually stand out on a deeper colour on your shelving. In the bathroom, you can use the colour blue, maybe in panelling in your bathroom. If you don't have a shower, you could use the eggshell finish on your paint colour on your woodwork in your bathroom, and you might maybe alternatively like to use maybe half and half, maybe half wallpaper if it's applicable with moisture, or you can actually use the paint colour blue on the walls of your bathroom. You can also create a sea theme in your bathroom. For example, you could use the accessories like the sea jar that we actually have in store as maybe a nice alternative to having an accessory on the window of your bathroom. One of the rooms in the house that I would not recommend to paint blue is your dining area or your dining room. Why is this, you might ask? The reason being is that it is one of the least appetizing colours, and some weight loss plans recommend to eat the food off of a blue plate. Now we'll just do a little recap on the main points about the colour blue. Blue is a soothing colour, it's a cool colour, it's a tranquil colour. It's a colour that can be used in your bathroom, your bedroom or your home study. Blue is the least appetizing colour, so therefore I would not recommend blue in your dining room.
Hello, I'm Steve from Fervent Hue. I hope you enjoyed the video our team prepared for you. If you liked it, please give us a like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And if there's any topic you want us to cover, please comment below and we will definitely work on it for you. So thank you, we'll see you again.